Unpack the package and verify the quantity of the items. Push the seat all the way back. Place the floor mat in the driver's seat.
Use clips on unstable sections. The clips can be installed and secured according to the positions shown in the video.
Lay the rear floor mat into place.
The seat is secured underneath using clips. Threshold is also secured using clips.
Align the lower part of the seat back cushion. Press to secure. Install the back cushions in order. Lay out the trunk liner, ensuring they lie flat and cover the carpeted area.
Trunk sill plate installation. Pry open the sealing strip. Tuck the threshold strip under the weather strip. Firmly press down the door sill plate again.